you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is divide numbers up to 5-digit numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to divide numbers up to 5 digits by, my dear students, do you know that division is a process of repeated subtraction? Yes, you know it already. And do you know that subtraction is a process in which we take away from a group of numbers or group of things. Now, I will explain you through this example that how we divide a number by 10, 100 and 1000. In these types of questions, we solve the questions mentally. Means that we are going to do mental calculations. There is no need to solve the question by long division method or process. We just need to write down the answer directly by mental calculations, strategies, or you can say it tricks as well. Now, my dear students, this is a number. You can see that we are going to solve it through different. Here is the example. I will take this number 4320 and then I'm going to divide this number by 10. As you can see over here, there is a division symbol and there is 10. If you remember that in multiplication, we have added the number 0 after ones of the first number. But here, as you know that division is a repeated process of subtraction. Yes. So that is why I'm going to take away. And you all, as I already told you, in subtraction, you take away the numbers. So, because of this thing, I'm just going to consider the number which is lying at one space, which is, yes, 0. Now, the number which is over here, as you know that division means to take away in short. So, I'm going to cut the number which is lying at one's place in dividend and divisor both. You can see that in dividend also there is, first let me tell you what is dividend. This number which is lying first is dividend. After division symbol, the number is divisor. Yes. So that what we are going to do now, I am going to cut the numbers because if you can say it in other words, I can say it, I will take away the number. Which number to take away? Yes, or remove is, yes, this is 0. The last numbers lying at one's place, yes, these are 0. Same. So that is why I'm going to remove this number, or you can say that take away these 2 digits because this is mental trick or mental strategy. Now the quotient will be 432 as you can see here. So I will do this one in simple mental calculation. I'm not going to solve long division method over here. Now the next example is the number 32,000 divided by 100. In 100, how many zeros are here? Yes, 2 zeros. And you can see the dividend. In dividend, how many zeros are lying at the last? Yes, there are 3 zeros. So, what to do? Should I cut the 3 zeros? No, I will cut the zeros according to the dividend. As in dividend, there are 2 zeros. So, I will cut how many last zeros? Yes, last 2 zeros only. So, the answer will be 320. That is 320. You can see this example. In this example, there is written 850,000. Division sign and then I'm going to divide it by, in 1000, how many zeros are there? Yes, 3 zeros are there in 1000. So, how many zeros are here in dividend? I am going to cut how many zeros? I am going to cut 3 zeros. Last 3 zeros only. Or I can say that I will remove the last 2 zeros of the dividend and I will have the answer. Yes, 850 will be my answer. So, do remove zeros according to the divisor. If you remember divisor and in dividend there are zeros according to the dividend, then the questions are of this kind, then we are going to use mental strategies according to the digits as I told you. If there is one last digit 0 and it is dividing by 10, means this is very easy. You can just consider it by mental strategies. If there is no 0, for example, then you are going to solve it through long division process. But I am here to tell you that if at the last of the dividend there are zeros, so we are going to solve the questions mentally. If there are 2 zeros or more than 2 zeros and the number is divided by 100 and 1000, then this method is simple and quick. I hope the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.